Hello friends, Running Kimono. So we have two of our favorites, inexpensive paper products over at the Dollar General. So that is a home run in my books. So what we're going to look at, guys, is doing this deal as an any day deal. Thus, you don't have to do this on a Saturday, and then specifically doing it on a Saturday to get some extra super uber best savings. But not an Uber drive. I don't know what I'm talking about. When you're in the store, look high, look low. Don't just look in the regular aisles, also end caps, or perhaps at the front of the store they might have it. Look where my finger's pointing at the very top. There's some paper, a lot of it. So the first deal we're going to look at is an any day deal. If you want to do this today, go for it. First item we're going to grab is 4 boxes of the Kleenex tissue priced at $1.50. So we need 4 of them specifically for this deal, and always look on end caps too. Sometimes they have it all over the store. We're going to grab one of these Scott's toilet papers for $5 on the nose, and you have to grab the exact items I'm talking about because we have digital coupons for all of them. We're also going to grab one of these really nice Cottonelles also for $5. Maybe in the comments let me know if you're Team Scott or Team Cottonelle. I kind of like Cottonelle. And we're also going to grab one of these paper towels for $5.50. So one of these. And again, sometimes they put these on end caps as well because it's a larger, bulkier item. So look all over the store. And if you are a very heavily couponed area, I would maybe do this deal sooner in the week. It's your call, of course. And then these are the digital coupons that you need loaded. $1 off for the Kleenex, $1 off for the paper towel, $1 off for the Cottonelle, and then $1 off for the Scott. So these 4 load all of them. And it is your choice to do it now or on Saturday. Digital coupons are of a one-time use as well. Now, what makes this deal so sweet is the instant savings. So if you buy $20 of these products, you're going to get $4 off. Plus, we have $4 of digitals. So on a $20 basket, we're getting $8 off. Boom, there it is. And just to answer a quick question, if you wanted to buy 40, would you get $8 off? The answer is no. Only that $4 off will come off the first time of the instant savings. And you don't have to load anything, it just comes off instantly. So any day deal, again, just to run through this, we're grabbing one of the Scott's toilet papers for $5, 1 Cottonelle toilet paper for $5, 4 single boxes of the Kleenex for $6. They're $1.50 each, so $1.50 times 4. That's how I'm getting the math. And then 1 Scott's paper towel for $5.50. Adding all of that up, that's $21.50. You punch in your phone number at the front as the cashier's scanning all of your merchandise. The 4 off of 20 instant savings will come off for you, along with the $4 of digital manufacturers. So it's $13.50 for the 7 products, shaking it out to $1.92 per product. Wow, this is a really good deal. That's a lot of toilet paper and Kleenex and Magic. And if you like paper products as much as I, you know the value here. If you might have a 3 off of 15, it's even bigger savings. And then we're going to look at the 5 off of 25 here in a quick second as well. Now, if you go over to your Fetch Rewards account and go to the Discoveries page, they have a 5 back when you spend $25 on Cottonelle, Kleenex, Scott, Viva, boom. With the purchase of $13.50, you're halfway there, guys. And if you're a Walgreens shopper, you'll probably earn this $5 reward this week. So definitely check out your Fetch Rewards account, photograph your receipt to this app. And if you have not signed up for this app, and if you're a newer shopper, check out the link in the notes. When you submit your first receipt, it could be a pack of gum you bought last week or anything. You're given $2. And with this deal, like $5 back when you spend $25, yes, it's really fantastic. Okay, the next deal, digital again, but we're doing this on Saturday the 15th. So we're obviously going to need this guy loaded to our store card. And then in the previous basket, we're going to grab this ragtag of all these items, plus Centrum vitamins, plus a Colgate toothpaste. So the 2 at the very bottom, but all that gorgeous paper products and then those 2 extras. Now for the paper products, we're going to need all of these digitals loaded. That include the $1 off for the for the Kleenex, the $1 off for the Scott paper towel, the $1 off for the Cottonelle, and the $1 off for the Scott toilet paper. These 4 load all of these coupons. Now, as we're going to have some instant savings at checkout and pairing this with the 5 off of 25, that's why we need the toothpaste and the vitamins to get the numbers way up. And I'm going to show you those numbers, but I factored this in for people that are like, you're going to be $4 short. No, we've already factored in the math, and I'll show you exactly how I'm going to get that. So this is one that you really got to pay attention. So we're also going to grab one of these $3 Colgate toothpaste. And then on last Sunday, we had this very generous $2 coupon that popped up from the manufacturer. So we're going to have to load this guy. So with a $3 toothpaste and a $2 coupon, you can see the magic right there. And then we're also going to grab one of these guys, the Centrum vitamins for $5. And then I think 2 weeks ago, there was a $4 coupon that popped up. So hopefully you still have that loaded to do this little dealio, but you're going to need this specific coupon to get your basket very, very low. Here's the math again, guys. 1 Scott's toilet paper for $5, 1 Cottonelle toilet paper for $5, 4 boxes of the Kleenex single for $6, they're $1.50 a pop, 1 Scott's paper towel for $5.50. Adding all of that magic up, it's $21.50. So as the cashier is scanning your stuff, that's when you punch in your phone number, and then you'll have that instant savings. You don't have to load anything, but the new subtotal is $17.50, but we need to get to $25. So throwing in the Centrum vitamins for $5 and 1 Colgate toothpaste for $3, our new total is $25.50. Subtracting the 5 off of 25 and then $10 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous, you're paying $10.50 for the 9 items. This doesn't include your tax, but it shakes it out to $1.16 per product. This right here is extreme couponing, guys. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at is with insert coupons. So obviously we're going to need our best friend, which is the 5 off of 25. So please make sure you have this loaded. For very specific shoppers, if you like Cottonelle, let's go with this. Let's go with 4 Cottonelle toilet papers at $5 a pop. And people are either Team Scott or Team Cottonelle, and people know the difference. And if you're very rich, you'd go for Charmin. But which one do you like? Tell me in the comments. I'm just curious. We always do this poll this time of the year. I love Cottonelle. Last weekend, Smart Source, we have dollar off coupons, and there is no stipulation other than 1 coupon per purchase. So using 3 of these coupons, I don't believe you'll have an issue with that. So we're going to need 3 of these, and they're from the Smart Source of January the 9th. So hopefully you have these coupons. And then we're also going to use this digital. So 3 papers and 1 digital. And remember, we have some instant savings of 4 off of 20. So we're going to also have to factor that into the mathematics. But I've already done that. Now, for this little one, we're not going to go with vitamins because I know those vitamins might be a little bit of a tall order to find. So this is what we're going to sub out. There is a $3.75. It's either the super or the regular Playtex tampons. And I believe this is a 14 count, but it's the one for $3.75. And then we have a very generous $2 coupon. So hopefully you have that guy loaded. As you can see, it expires on that Saturday, so definitely use it or lose it. We're also going to grab 1 toothpaste for $3 on the nose. And then also from the same Colgate family, so when you're in that dental care aisle, let's look for this $3 brush as well. And then we're going to need these 2 loaded, which is the $2 off the brush and the $2 off the paste. Okay, let's look at the mathematics for this one. For the Cottonelle toilet papers, that's 20 on the nose. So the total is 20. Remember, we have a 4 off of 20 instant savings. So our new total is 16. Let's throw in 1 Colgate toothpaste for $3, 1 Colgate toothbrush for $3, and then 1 Playtex tampon for $3.75. The new total here is $25.75. Now, after the cashier scans all of your merchandise, your phone number is already in there. You will present $3 coupons from that Smart Source for the Cottonelle. The cashier will very dutifully scan all 3 for you and smile. When the final pay button is hit, 5 off of 25 will come off, along with $7 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $10.75 for the 7 items, shaking it out to $1.53 each. Let's not forget, for all these transactions, photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. And if you have not signed up for this app, today is the day to make it happen. Check out the link in the notes. $2 extra when you photograph your first receipt. It could be an Egg McMuffin you bought this morning. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.